It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, I'm going to show you how I maintain my crochet braids, okay? So I twisted them up and put a satin scrunchie on them and went to bed. Now I am going to untwist them and kind of fluff them out. So to twist them, you can apply any kind of product you like, really, but I used my Itz Sirap leave-in conditioner. And as you can see, they unravel nicely. I just unraveled it and kind of separated the individual pieces. This video is also going to be my 2-week update. So at the end, you'll kind of see how they look after 2 weeks. But for my thoughts on this hair, I am used to like bigger, fluffier, kind of kinkier hair. And I feel like that hair is easier to maintain. Using this kind of silkier texture. I wish for one that my braids would have been smaller. I think that would have made the outcome a lot better, because I feel like I would have been able to get more hair in, and I think I would have liked that a lot. With the braids that I had, I just went ahead and crocheted on those braids, and I don't think I had enough. 10 braids wasn't enough for me. I think if I would have had even 12 or 14, I feel like I would have enjoyed this hair a lot better. It was just a little too spacey for me, I guess. I did crochet in between the parts, as you will see if you haven't, watched the install video. But I did crochet in between the parts and everything to kind of fill it up some. But I feel like I needed more hair. It just wasn't enough hair. As I pull it apart, if I see anything that's kind of scraggly or anything, I'll just cut that off. And I did that every time I did this. But being honest, toward the end of this style, I stopped doing this, y'all. I just threw that hair up and just went to bed. But I did want to show you how I maintained it. Like when I kept doing it like this, I felt like it looked really nice for a longer time. But even when I was just throwing it up in a pineapple, people still were commenting that it looked nice. So whatever works best for your lifestyle. With my lifestyle at this time, I was about 7.5 months pregnant. So after a while doing all this, I just stopped doing it. But as you can see, the hair looks really cute. Again, I will have the information to this hair in the description bar if you want to go grab it from my Amazon affiliate link. It will be there. Now for the edges, I'm just applying something to them. What I'm using is not really that important. I'm just kind of showing you how I do it. You could just put anything on it, brush it in with a little edge brush or something, and then tie it down. So you can do this in the morning, tie it down, do your makeup, and after that the edges should be laid. Typically I don't really lay my edges like that for real, but if I'm going somewhere and I just want it to look a little extra nice, then that's something that I would do. This is the Itz Sirap leave-in conditioner that I'm spraying on it just to fluff it out. I bought some stuff that some other crochet YouTubers recommended, but I didn't even use that stuff, y'all. I just used my Itz Sirap products. Eventually I'll try those products because they did recommend them for the crochet hair. This is my Itz Sirap Soothing Scalp Care. I put this in all of the parts. This is going to help with the itching, any dryness or anything that I had going on with my scalp, any irritation. If the braids are tight and it's pulling or anything, this helps with all of that. It also helps with chemical burns if you are relaxed, and you know how sometimes you get that little sting or whatever. Going in with this can help soothe that. And as you can see, it felt amazing. So ideally, depending on how long you leave your crochets in, this routine would be great to do maybe every other night. Right now I have my hair in a braid down for a wig, which we will get into that in the next couple of videos, but I'm still, you know, going in with my leave-in and my oil. So this is how the hair looks, and these are like the little knots that I added in there. For me, that made it look a lot better because my braids were kind of far apart in my opinion. But this is the maintenance routine. Okay, so now I'm going to kind of go into my 2-week update, and you'll get to see how it looks after 2 weeks. But I hope y'all enjoyed the maintenance portion. I did at this point kind of noticed that I wanted to cut this side a little bit, so I went ahead and did that at this time as well. Then I just played with it to make sure it looked to my liking, and then I was on with my day. Hey y'all, all right, so it's been 2 weeks. Okay, my braids, I did the braids that Friday before I did the install, so tomorrow will be 3 weeks that my hair has been braided, but the crochet has been in for 2 weeks. This is how it's looking. Okay, I have been getting compliments. People say it looks good, it looks natural, all of that kind of stuff. To me, after the first couple of days, I just started putting my hair in a pineapple, and with this hair, having it in a pineapple, it kind of clumps together and mats worse. So if you have the time to do the twist and all of that, that will probably work better with this hair. But what I was doing, because I don't have that kind of time every day, I just put it all up in a ponytail or just pineappled it with a scarf, and in the morning time I just kind of go through and just pull the pieces apart. If it's anything straggly or whatever, I'll just snip that off. So this is how it looks. The back of it is the worst. So I just kind of go in the sections and just pull it apart. And you know, anything that looks too rough, I'll just cut it. Okay, so today I will be removing this. This is how the hairline is looking. Very fuzzy and frizzy. Okay, I did not lay the edges or anything. I just maybe sprayed something on it, maybe put a scarf on it, and went to work. Okay, so this is how she is looking. Okay, everybody that saw it said they loved it. So, you know, if you want something that's giving like a natural kind of look, natural kind of vibe, this could be the crochet hair for you. Okay, in my area it is extremely hot, which is why I'm looking like I'm on fire. Okay, I am about 7.5 months pregnant at this point, so my body is already hot and it's hot outside. So yes, okay, so that is why I decided to do some crochet anyway, because wearing the wigs, it was just too hot. Okay, so I have some other hair that came in the mail. Okay, so I'll probably be putting that in next, or that other crochet hair that I showed y'all when I ordered this. It's longer, so I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, the hair that just came in is some crochet twist, so I might like that better than the loose hair. So we are going to kind of see. I do have a baby shower coming up, so I'm trying to kind of think about, you know, the look that I want to go for with the baby shower and stuff like that. If not, I might just put a wig on. Okay, so so this is the 2 week of how it's looking after 2 weeks. And my braids, like I said, these been in for 3 weeks, so these definitely got to come out so I can wash my hair and all of that. Okay, if y'all want to see that part, that could be a great video. I still need to do my hair update video, so I might do that next. Maybe show the takedown and show my hair and kind of explain everything that I said I was going to tell y'all about my hair. Okay, so that might be the next video. Okay, but thank y'all so much for tuning in to this crochet over the span of 2 weeks. Okay, so make sure that you give this video a big old thumbs up. Okay, leave me some comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you all want to see next. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line in that order. Okay, and guess what time it is? It's a wrap. Okay, I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all subscribe. Hit that subscribe button.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.